Excuse me, have we met? You look familiar. No, wow, dumbass. We all have the same exact face. Haven't you realized that yet? Everybody has the same exact face. Take this kid, for example.
La la la.
He looks exactly the same as this janitor. Do you get what I'm saying now? Yeah? Okay, that's good. But I have one question. Shut up! We are all the same. All the same! Excuse me, son, was there a fire here? No, but I called you guys. Well, where's the fire? There was none. It was a prank call. Oh. Oh, okay. Fucking deserved it, fool. Yeah, no, fool. Down in the hood, G, west side. All the same! Look, this guy is in jail and he is happy. We all have the same face. We cannot frown. Okay. Woo! All the same! See? His face is exactly the same as mine. See? He is knocked out. But look, it looks like he is awake. And he is still smiling. We are all the same.